everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a super simple and delicious carrot cake with cream cheese frosting. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So this cake is very simple. It really is just put everything in a bowl and mix. So let's just start doing that. So we have our all-purpose flour, 2 cups, and we're going to add some granulated sugar to that. So in our sugar, we're going to add our baking soda, our baking powder, our cinnamon, and we're just gonna take a spatula and just combine these all together. So you can do this entire cake with a stand mixer if you'd like, but today we're just gonna do everything by hand and with our handy dandy vintage hand mixer. So now we're gonna add our oil. And this is 1 cup of vegetable oil. You can use canola oil or soybean oil if you have any oil that's flavorless. And we're just mixing this to combine. We just want to make sure that all our flour has some oil on it, essentially. Okay. So all our flour and sugar mixture is touching some oil, so it looks a little funny. I know it looks really weird actually, but have no fear, delicious carrot cake, isn't it? So we're gonna start adding our eggs now. We're gonna add these eggs 1 by 1, and of course we want to make sure these eggs are at room temperature. There we go. So egg number 1. I know you guys are probably thinking this cake looks mad weird, but like I said, have no fear. All right, egg number 3. Okay, so now we're just gonna give the bowl a nice scrape, make sure that all the sugar and egg and flour is all well incorporated. So it looks a little less funny now, as you can see. And now we're going to add our carrots in. I'm just gonna gently sort of fold it in. Carrot cake is kind of a cake that either you love carrot cake or you're afraid of carrot cakes. I refuse to believe that there are people out there who genuinely don't like carrot cake. I feel like they just probably didn't have a good carrot cake yet. When the carrots in the oven, they sort of almost melt into the cake, making it so moist. The natural sugars of the carrot come out and work so well with the cinnamon. It really is like a all-time favorite. And also I love it because it's super easy to make. So we're gonna put these in the oven now at 350 Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes until you see like a really nice crust. If you put a toothpick inside, it's gonna come out nice and clean. Okay, so the cake is in the oven. Let's move on to our cream cheese frosting. So here we have 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. We have 4 ounces of softened room temperature unsalted butter. And then we have 3 cups of icing sugar. And Bethany is in the corner there. Ruffin, please bear with her. Bethany's my dog. We're gonna cream the cream cheese with this hand beater here. And now we're going to add our butter. Away we go. All right, so my butter and my cream cheese are all mixed together. It's nice and homogeneous. Now we're going to add our ice and sugar, but in parts, just so we don't make too much of a mess when we turn on the mixer. And then we have our cream cheese frosting. So the cakes are out of the oven and they have cooled. So we're just gonna throw this bad boy together on our adorable cake stand. So this cake, this is eatahfood or One in the Oven Express today. So real no frills, but no lack of deliciousness. Actually, more deliciousness. Just gonna smooth this tangy, delicious cream cheese frosting on top. There we go. If you want to contribute to Sunday lunch, and you just want something quick and you want to impress, this cake is definitely your friend. I'm just going to put second layer on top. Once again, we're not being judged on the architecture of our cake. So much satisfaction. So little work. If you're having a fight with a friend, make them this cake, they'll give you a hug for sure. So that's all I have for you guys today. Recipe to success with this carrot cake. If you make it, please be sure to let us know. Tag us, eatahfood, tag me at MZClaire. If you want to see more of me, follow me on Instagram at MZClaire. And if you want to see more tutorials, recipes, and more about food and life in Trinidad and Tobago, be sure to subscribe to eatahfood on YouTube. Be sure to like us on Facebook. And it's always a pleasure having you guys in the kitchen with me. Until next time, mwah, bye.